I started this project because I wanted to make a custom coloring book for my kids. As the creator, Amazon will let you buy the book at a discounted price. First, my daughter and I came up with funny prompts and put them into Midjourney. After upscaling a collection of photos you should edit them in your favorite editor. We do this because sometimes the photos come out strange with extra arms or hands. If you're trying to sell this as a coloring book, customers want the weird images for their children. As a beginner, you should go to Amazon KDP cover calculator and save the calculated cover as a template to follow on Canva. After editing the photos, import them to Canva. It's a free website that will let you design and save your book as a PDF for print. Our dimensions here are 8.5 by 11. Make sure to use the template because you will find yourself going back to resize many times. Amazon won't accept the book if the images are outside the margins. When you finish designing, go to Share and download the project as a PDF for print. Create a separate project for the cover and double the project size. Here we used 17.385 by 11. You can use the template you downloaded to make sure everything fits correctly. Assuming you have created and met the requirements for a KDP account, now you can upload your coloring book. Create a new paperback and edit the details, content and pricing. Amazon will provide a barcode if you do not have one. Set the price really low and buy your custom books for your family. You can even request proofs for a discounted price. You can make over 25K in 1 month. There are also some advanced techniques like targeted niche and keyword research. There are a ton of tools that can help with the process if you are trying to make money or to have fun with your kids. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Make sure to check out my wild and wacky zoo animal coloring book on Amazon. It's a funny coloring book where the zoo animals find themselves in hilarious situations. Great for children of all skill levels.